Thank you for tuning into my channel, Health Whisperer. Today we're diving into an essential topic for anyone hitting the gym: what to eat and avoid if you're trying to build muscle. Understanding bodybuilding. Bodybuilding is distinct from powerlifting or Olympic lifting, focusing on physical appearance rather than strength. Bodybuilders aim for a lean, muscular physique, often following a regimen that includes both bulking and cutting phases. Caloric needs. First, determine how many calories you need by weighing yourself at least 3 times a week and using a calorie tracking app. If your weight remains stable, your calorie intake is at a maintenance level. During the bulking phase, increase your calorie intake by about 15% and decrease it by the same percentage during the cutting phase. Regularly adjust your calorie goals to match changes in your weight. Macronutrient ratios. Your macronutrient ratio should remain consistent, whether you're bulking or cutting. A typical ratio includes 30 to 35% calories from protein, 55 to 60% calories from carbs, and 15 to 20% calories from fat. For instance, if your bulking phase requires 3,450 calories daily, you might consume 259 to 302 grams of protein, 474 to 518 grams of carbs, and 58 to 77 grams of fat. Foods to eat. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods such as meats, poultry, and fish. Think sirloin steak, ground beef, pork tenderloin, chicken breast, salmon, tilapia, and cod. For dairy, consider yogurt, cottage cheese, low-fat milk, and cheese. Grains like bread, cereal, crackers, oatmeal, quinoa, and rice are also great choices. Don't forget fruits such as oranges, apples, bananas, grapes, pears, peaches, and berries. Vegetables like broccoli, leafy greens, tomatoes, peppers, and mushrooms should be on your list as well. Seeds and nuts like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent additions. Beans and legumes, including chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans, and black beans, are also beneficial. Finally, incorporate healthy oils like olive oil, flaxseed oil, and avocado oil into your diet. Foods to avoid. Limit these foods to support your fitness goals. Alcohol can hinder muscle growth and fat loss. Added sugars are high in calories but low in nutrients. Deep-fried foods can cause inflammation and other health issues. Before workouts, avoid foods that may slow digestion or cause discomfort, such as high-fat foods, high-fiber foods, and carbonated beverages. Sample meal plan. Here's a sample meal plan for a week. Monday, breakfast: scrambled eggs with mushrooms, oatmeal, and a pear. Snack: low-fat cottage cheese with blueberries. Lunch: venison burger, white rice, and broccoli. Snack: protein shake and a banana. Dinner: salmon, quinoa, and asparagus. Tuesday, breakfast: protein pancakes with light syrup, peanut butter, and raspberries. Snack: hard-boiled eggs and an apple. Lunch: sirloin steak, sweet potato, and spinach salad with vinaigrette. Snack: protein shake and a peach. Dinner: ground turkey and marinara sauce over pasta with a side of cauliflower, and so on for the rest of the week. Benefits of bodybuilding. Bodybuilding involves regular resistance and aerobic training. Resistance training increases muscle strength, reducing the risk of several diseases. Aerobic exercise improves heart health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Combined with a nutrient-dense diet, bodybuilding can significantly lower the risk of chronic diseases. Potential risks. While bodybuilding has many benefits, there are risks to consider. Extremely low body fat levels can negatively affect sleep, mood, and immune function. Additionally, anabolic steroids, often associated with bodybuilding, pose significant health risks and are illegal without a prescription in the U.S. Conclusion. Bodybuilding focuses on achieving a muscular and lean physique through regular exercise and a carefully planned diet. Whether you're in the bulking or cutting phase, your diet should include nutrient-dense foods, plenty of protein, and limited alcohol, added sugars, and deep-fried foods. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Health Whisperer for more tips and insights on achieving your fitness goals.